A máa tún kú ojúmọ́ àkú ojúmọ́ níbi yóò kẹ̀tì láǹfààní láti máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì àrólé bàbá 1010 TV2 tá a wà yìí, níbi tá a ti fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ní ìròyìn àjàbalẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bí nǹkan bá ṣe ń lọ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà àti lókè òkun. Ìròyìn tá a ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tá a mú wá fún wa lásìkò yìí ó ní títí ẹni tó ń pe ara rẹ̀ ní Prime Minister orílẹ̀ Biafra Simon Ekpa tó ti fi ohùn léde báyìí nínú tó fi jásí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ náà ó ní kò fẹ́ jọ ọ̀rọ̀ eré mọ́ rárá o, tí ó sì ti ń pè fún ìròrí àwọn tó jẹ́ ìjọba káàkiri ìpínlẹ̀ gbogbo ilẹ̀ Ìgbò náà tó fi mọ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀, pẹ̀lú bí Simon Ekpa bó ṣe fi ohùn tuntun léde nípa àwọn ènìyàn wọn èyí tí wọ́n ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti jí tí wọ́n wà ní àtìmọ́lé àtàwọn èyí tí àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí tí wọ́n ti jí gbé sá lọ. Simon Ekpa ló sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ní àná òde yìí tí ń ṣe ọjọ́ 24 nínú oṣù tá a wà yìí, lásìkò tó ń bá àwọn ẹmẹ̀wà rẹ̀ tí wọ́n jọ jẹ́ ìjọba ilẹ̀ Biafra sọ̀rọ̀ nínú ètò tí ní àwọn fẹ́ ṣe ètò ìdìbò èyí tí wọ́n ní àwọn fún ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ní ọjọ́ 7 gbáko láti fi lè dá àwọn ènìyàn wọn èyí tí wọ́n wà ní àtìmọ́lé padà, pàápàá jùlọ ẹni tó jẹ́ akọni ajìjàǹgbara fún ilẹ̀ Biafra Nnamdi Kanu láti dá padà sí ilé rẹ̀ láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà. Simon Ekpa wá ní tí wọ́n bá kọ̀ tí wọ́n bá tẹ̀lé àwọn ihun táwọn ń béèrè láti ọ̀dọ̀ wọn yìí, níṣẹ́ ni àwọn yóò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ máa gbé àgádágodo ti àwọn ilé ẹjọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ìgbò kọ̀ọ̀kan káàkiri ilẹ̀ Ìgbò náà, nínú ètò sì tún sọ di mímọ̀ pé kó máa jẹ́ ìkìlọ̀ fún gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ adájọ́ tí wọn kì í ṣe ọmọ ilẹ̀ Ìgbò ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n wà ní ilẹ̀ Ìgbò náà, pé lẹ́yìn tí àwọn bá ti ṣe ètò ìdìbò yìí tí àwọn ènìyàn àwọn fara mọ́ nínú èyí tí àwọn yóò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbésẹ̀ náà lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ 7 táwọn fún ìjọba yìí, níṣe ni ètò ààbò tó dájú àti èyí tó péye kò ní sí lórí àwọn ènìyàn yìí mọ́. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fi etí ara yín kẹ́ fi gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ láti ẹnu Prime Minister ilẹ̀ Biafra Simon Ekpa. Ṣé wọ́n ní etí ara ẹni báyìí òun náà ni ààfin gbọ́rọ̀ ayọ̀. Ẹ fi etí ara yín kẹ́ fi gbálàyé tí Simon Ekpa sọ kẹ́ jẹ́ káwájọ pẹ̀kẹ́lù nínú comment section bí ìṣe wa tá a sì ti máa fún lésì ní wàrà sísà. Ẹ ṣé ẹ kú fẹ́.
Cabinet members of the Biafra government, honorable ministers, head of department, I welcome all of you today. Without wasting your time, I would like to let every one of us here to know that the impunity of the Nigeria state is coming to an end by various decisions and various steps and measures that this government will take in order to protect, defend our land, protect our women and children, and our properties and lives. For this reason, Nigeria have represented anarchy, criminality, evil, corruption, especially in Biafra land and against Biafra people. We have seen and witnessed several and thousands disappearance of Biafra people, where they are kidnapped from Biafra land and taken to far away northern Nigeria and other parts of Nigeria and locked up, imprisoned, without trial, without any justification. And for that reason, the Biafra government will be taking a very decisive steps and decision today in order to bring that impunity to an end. On this note, I am moving a motion this afternoon without wasting your time, a motion to give 72 hours to the Nigeria terrorist state to return every single Biafran that has been kidnapped from Biafra land and taken to somewhere in the northern Nigeria and the southern, on the western Nigeria and beyond. for them to be returned back to Biafra land with immediate effect. In addition to this, failing to bring back any Biafran and all Biafran that have been kidnapped in the name of arrest or with whatever nomenclature, after 72 hours, we will evict every judges that is not from Biafra land, residing in Biafra land. We will also lock down the entire court that represent Nigeria. We are going to lock down the Court of Appeal, Judicial Court. We will lock down the Court of Appeal, Oka Judicial Court. We are also going to lock down the Court of Appeal, Enugu Judicial Division. We will lock down the Federal High Court in the entire Southeast to start with. After that, we will proceed to the South-South. We will also lock down the entire National Industrial Court in the entire Southeast and South-South comprising of Biafra. After this, we will move to customary court. So anybody that is in this court and you are not a Biafran, you are sent or posted to Biafra land to come to Biafra and preside over any case. Believe me, after the time that we are going to be voted for today, after that time elapses, your security will not be guaranteed. Our demand is very simple. From Mazi Nnamdi Kanu down to the lowest person must be transferred to Biafra land with immediate effect. We will begin to correct this impunity on the issue that when somebody is alleged to commit a crime, there is a jurisdiction. If you claim that somebody committed a crime in the Southeast, as you have given them, the person must be tried in that jurisdiction in the Southeast. Somebody cannot be abducted from the Southeast, sent to northern Nigeria, where he will be denied access to justice, he will be denied access to lawyers, he will be denied access to everything. You lock the person up where the so-called crime were committed in a different region. That is ending today. The Biafra government will be voting on this particular issue I've mentioned. So, my fellow cabinet members, as a government, it is a priority for us to protect the interests of our people, to give them justice, fairness, equity, which Nigeria government have denied them. On this note, I move a motion to give 72 hours to every judges of the Court of Appeal in Owerri, every judges of the Court of Appeal in Oka, every judges of the Court of Appeal in Enugu Judicial Division, every judges of the Federal High Court in the Southeast and South-South, every judges of the National Industrial Court in the entire Southern region. If you support this motion that the Nigerian government is giving 72 hours to repatriate and return every Biafran that is being detained somewhere in the northern Nigeria and beyond. After 72 hours, these judges must vacate Biafra land with immediate effect. If you are for this motion, please, can we see your hands up? And the media team, can you put everybody on the screen so we can be able to see the hand before we go into our electronic voting?